Are you wondering if creating a YouTube channel is the best thing to do in 2024? Come close, let me let you in on a secret. Yes, it is the best thing to do in 2024. Let me show you how to create one. Launch your YouTube app, click on the settings button, click on account. Now I have other YouTube accounts. So click on this plus button to open a new Gmail account. Click on create, click on for personal use. Google will suggest two email address for you. Click on the third one so that you can type in your preferred email address. Type in your password, click next, agree to this privacy and terms. Then it will take you back to the your Google account page. This place now, you click on settings, click on account, then click on this you sign there, then click on view channel. Now you can now edit your channel the way you want, put your picture, then you edit your channel name. I'll go ahead to change my channel name to Ibis Fine Content HQ. Then you click on create. You now have a YouTube channel. Click on view channel, click on that edit button and edit your description just like I did.